What if I told you you never have to record your own voice to make YouTube videos? Not even once. In the next 7 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to do it, completely free using Google AI Studio.
Most beginners trying to start a YouTube channel get stuck at one thing: their voice. Either they hate how it sounds, they don't have a mic, or they're just too shy to record, so they never even start.
The fix is Google AI Studio. It's Google's free AI tool, and hidden inside it is a text-to-speech feature that sounds shockingly real. You paste your script, pick a voice, hit generate, and you get a professional voiceover. Done. Quick background. Google AI Studio is Google's free platform to test and use their Gemini AI models. Most people use it for text, but it also has a speech feature where you can generate real human-sounding voice from any text. Step 1. Open your browser and go to aistudio.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. It's completely free, no payment needed. Step 2. On the left sidebar, look for the option that says Speech, or go to Create New and choose the Speech Generation model. This is where the magic happens.
Step 3. In the text box, paste your script. Keep it natural. Write how you talk. Add commas for pauses and full stops where you want the voice to breathe. The more natural you're writing, the more natural the voice.
Okay, now everything is done. You just have to click on Run Control and download the audio file. Guys, this is for today. Hope you liked the video. Hope you understand some new concept. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.